Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to open your wallet with the side button. So do you want faster access to your Samsung wallet? Well, you can set your side key, the power button right here, to open it instantly. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find advanced features. And then from here, you go ahead and tap on side button. Now from here, you want to go ahead and choose double press. And from here, you want to go ahead and choose apps. And then find Samsung Wallet or Google Wallet, whatever you use. Now press home. And then when you go ahead and double press on this will open up your wallet. And here you'll be able to use all your card and your loyalty cards as well. So this gives you instant access to your cards and passes, perfect for quick payments, and it's super convenient at checkout counters or while traveling. So there you go guys, that is how to open your wallet with the side button on your Samsung Galaxy device.